I welcome you all for the first training session of GAG Ahmedabad. We can say that we are an extension to GAG Pune. GAG Pune is an inspiration that is set, and we are following it. So, we had a discussion with Reshma and Ruvil, and internally we have thought a process that we will be having GAG Pune events on Saturday, and we'll be having GAG Ahmedabad events on Friday based on the poll. Also, we just discussed that in GAG Pune, we will be focusing on some advanced topics or new topics, or rather tips and tricks of the class. Whereas GAG Ahmedabad, initially we shall be focusing for certifications, for theoretical topics, or for rather say Google tools related topics. That is how the certifications they are asking. So whether it is level 1 certification, level 2 certification, and so on. So at this point of time, our idea is that we help and we motivate people to go for certifications. And as GAG Ahmedabad, we will try to focus on that. So whatever modules are there in, say, level 1 and level 2, we shall be trying to cover up it one by one in a session. Probably if everything goes smoothly, then we'll also set up a boot camp where, daily 30-minute session for 7 days will be enough to guide any person to, go for a level 1 certification or level 2 certification. But that is at a distance dream right now. So fine, we are 20 people at the moment. 36 registration is there. It's already 8 o'clock. So what do you say, all the members? Should we start the presentation, or should we still wait for 2 more minutes?
Yes. I think Dr. Varia, let us go ahead. Otherwise, it would be difficult to complete by 9.
Agree. So here again, I would just like to say that my presentation will be limited to 30 minutes. 15 minutes I'll be having. 15 minutes I've kept in mind the discussions that we would be having during the presentation, right? So, and 15 minutes later on, we shall be having some other discussions going on after the session. So let us start today's session. Basically, I'm just presenting my screen. So I suppose everyone is able to see my screen, right?
Not yet.
Not yet. Is it now possible?
Yes. Yeah. Now we can.
Okay, great. So as the name suggests, that's learning about Google certifications. Particularly, I had kept the topic as preparing for level 1 certification, but I've just kept initially as learning about Google certification. So Google certification, we are educators, so we will be focusing for Google for Education. So Google for Education provides 4 categories of certificates, courses: Google Educator Level 1, Google Educator Level 2, Google for Education Certified Trainer, and Google for Education Certified Innovator. These are the 4 courses that you can take up with Google. Me and Reshma have already been certified for level 1 and level 2, and we are preparing for certified trainer course. And both of us have already cleared the course to 50%. We have already assigned, we have already received the certificate for trainer, but our application is in the process. So soon we will be clearing out. So next important thing is that why should we have a Google certification? What is the need for it, or what is the motivation behind it? So there are 10 points. So if you have a Google certification, you can gain confidence with digital learning strategies and Google tools, facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity, create a paperless classroom, collect data and increase feedback loops, learn how to find answers and support, increase digital citizenship and digital literacy skills, increase efficiency and save time, engage in professional growth and leadership, prove your skills, and get the badge and join the Google certified family. So these are the 10 important inspiring reasons that one should go for Google certification. before I did my certification, there was a concept that why actually we need certification. Why do we need to go for Google? India is a developing country. We have infrastructure issues. Our students don't have the facility of devices. Internet is not available at all the places. Why this? So with this pandemic, I must say that Google has definitely come to our rescue. And I will always be a very proud supporter for Google because everyone, majority of Indian crowd is using Android phone, and with an Android phone, Gmail is a must. So for any particular using any particular Google service, you need a Gmail. So by default, if you're using an Android phone, you're already having a Gmail. So that is what we did with our school. That we started with Google Classroom, and everybody is having Gmail. So we started configuring that with the Google Classroom. So Google is definitely a very good rescue at this time. Educator level 1, this course teaches the fundamental strategies for implementing Google in the classroom. A basic level of computer literacy is assumed. Educators can start here to begin supercharging their teaching practices to save time and support student learning. So this is the basic level. So in this level, you will be learning how to implement Google Classroom in your class. You will be learning some basic tools like Gmail, Calendar, Google Classroom, Google Docs, Google Sheets. All these tools you will be learning to use at a basic level. So this educator level 1 will be going in detail. Level 2 is for educators who regularly implement Google apps in their classroom. Okay. Yeah. Is for those who regularly implement Google apps in the classroom. It pushes educators to rethink their teaching practices and redefine it with new possibilities offered by Google+. Yeah, I would like here to share my experience. I was level 1 certified, and I completed my level 2 certified just before a month. After completing my level 2 certification, I am feeling very much confident of using Google tools in day-to-day errands, day-to-day work. Even whether it is a personal work or whether it is an organization work, or even if it's a personal communication among the families, aligning your calendar using Google Calendar for maintaining day-to-day tasks, it has become very easy. So level 2, again, it gives you some more detailed experiences inside the existing tools. लेवल 1 में आपको सब टूल का इंट्रोडक्शन मिलता है, यू स्टार्ट यूजिंग द टूल्स, एंड लेवल 2 में वही टूल्स को प्रोफिशिएंटली यूज करने का आपको एक ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है. सर्टिफाइड ट्रेनर, another level is, see, for being a certified trainer you must have a level 1 and level 2. So it is a chronological order. आपको पहले level 1 करना है, level 2 करना है, फिर certified trainers करना है. Now certified trainer is not for everyone. Certified trainer जिसको आगे बढ़ना है गूगल प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ, वो ट्रेनर करना चाहे तो कर सकते हैं. तो गूगल फॉर एजुकेशन सर्टिफाइड ट्रेनर्स डिलीवर हाई क्वालिटी प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट टू हेल्प एजुकेटर्स रीच देयर प्रोफेशनल पोटेंशियल यूजिंग गूगल टूल्स. Trainers have a strong history of Google training in schools and design creative and informative learning material and show enthusiasm for role in technology in education. So as a certified trainer, your role would be basically to help schools implement Google technology. Your role will be basically to help educators learn the use of Google tools in classroom. So that is the role of certified trainer. Prerequisites: trainer essential courses and trainer essential certificates. Right, so me and Reshma have already cleared this thing. So minimum 15 hours of previous training on Google Tools exam. In order to receive the trainer essential certificate, you need to pass 4 required exams and 1 elective exam. The required exams are Gmail, Calendar, Docs, Drives, and Sites. So these are now covered up in level 1 and level 2. You can choose one of these exams in elective exam: Chrome, Chromebooks, Android tablets, Play for Education. Applications accepted 4 times a year. Application elements include a training resume, a detailed case study, a training video, and 3 references. So our application is in the pending mode right now. Our application is yet to be submitted. So we are in this particular phase of our certified trainer course. Above from certified trainer comes certified innovator, the highest level of Google certification, which is Google for Education Certified Innovator, work for Google to design creative solutions to the world's complex challenges in education. Ideal candidates are creative leaders with a passion for using innovative technologies and ambassadors for change to empower other educators and students. So as a certified innovators, your role basically is to enable the schools to implement the technology in day-to-day life. So, schools will have different challenges. They will not have devices, they may not have infrastructure, the students may not have the devices, the teachers may not be using the devices. So, certified innovator is working in a very large scale. They have to implement the strategy, they have to devise a strategy, they have to design for implementation of it. Certified trainers will help certified innovators training the teaching staff for these purposes, training the educators for these purposes, how to use this. So innovators and trainers work hand in hand to deliver the technological solutions from Google. Prerequisites: Google Certified Educator Level 2 status, a vision for innovative solution to a challenge in education. This is exactly what we are facing at this point of time. India is what we are facing. So it's a challenging situation. Innovator will have to solve that. Applications to join Innovator program and attend the Google for Education Innovation Academy are open in few times in a year. So here again a prerequisite is that this Innovator program is to be done in association with an Google for Education Innovation Academy. Okay, it's not like level 1 kar liya, level 2 kar liya, or then you go for innovator. No, you have to get hurt, you have to work with this Innovation Academy, and through them you have to cover up a certified innovator course. So these are the 4 kinds of courses that we have discussed. Google Certified Level 1, Level 2, Trainer and Innovator. Level 1 and Level 2 are for educators. Trainers basically are for IT people, and innovators are for the IT managers. Okay, so educators who are IT people or IT people who are educators can go to trainer and innovator level. But if you are an educator, if you are just teaching in a class or if you are an educator, then level 1 and level 2 is sufficient for you. You may not need to rise to trainer or innovator course. So over here, preparing for level 1, that is fundamental training. There are 13 modules and requires 15 hours to go through the scene. Right. So here is the link. I'm just sharing the link here. Okay. So I suppose now the new tab page is visible to you all. Yes. Okay. So this is the training. Needless to say that I shall also be sharing this presentation with all, so that everyone would be having access to all these links that are used in the presentation. Okay. Now this is basically a fundamentals training portal. This is from Google Skills Shop Exceed LMS. Now, Reshma, I would like to highlight that things have changed with Google right now. The way we completed level 1, level 2 with Google training, teacher training program, the same has changed to this particular LMS. Right. So fundamentals training, you can see over here there are 13 modules, unit 1 to unit 13, and in each module, okay, in each module there are sub modules. If you say level 1, get ready to use technology in the classroom. So this is 5 minutes. Explore the benefits of digital classroom, encourage 21st century work habits, 23 minutes. So these course you have to do. Now, in order to do this course, you have to first log in. Now, here I would like to advise you is, you must log in with an account, with a Gmail account that you would wish to take examination. Right? Nowadays, we have multiple Gmail accounts. So one, say for example, a person is having a Gmail account for personal use, a person is having a Gmail account for organizational use. Now, if both these email accounts are getting populated on daily basis, उसमें ज़्यादा मेल्स अगर आते हैं आपको, पर्सनल अकाउंट में भी आते हैं और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अकाउंट्स में भी आते हैं, तो आप रिक्वेस्ट आप एक दूसरा ईमेल बना दीजिए और उसके अंदर आप ट्रेनिंग दे लीजिए, बिकॉज एंड वो एक डेडिकेटेड ईमेल रहेगा आपके पास, जीमेल रहेगा, जिसके दौरान आप, जिसके अंदर आप एग्जामिनेशन और सर्टिफिकेशंस आप कर सकते हो. So as a matter of the segregation of work, I am sharing this thing. So here you have to log in for examination. So after logging in, you have to go through all the modules. Now these are very easy modules. ये सब theoretical work है. Now see, there are no charges for going through these modules. ये module study करने के लिए कोई charge नहीं है. Okay, whatever charge is which is there, say $10, it is only for the purpose of certification. our training free. Right? This is a free training. So I would suggest that if you are a teacher, you must go through this module, because this module has got case studies and exercises that will be useful to you if you are using Google Classroom in your day-to-day teaching. अगर आप सर्टिफिकेशन न भी ले तो भी आप इतने सक्षम हो जाओगे कि आप सर्टिफिकेट 1 जैसे यूज करते हैं वैसे ही आप यूज कर पाओगे. Certification will be just an accreditation from Google that yes, this person is certified. So paperless classroom, move into files into Drive, fewer class copies, bring your quizzes online, Google Forms, likewise. So each and every module is there, right? Save time in communicating, introduction, use to Gmail to communicate, right? Search Gmail, Google Chat for real-time students, groups, Google Groups, work with school community, right? Then organize activities for yourself and other. Keep track of your class schedules, get more organized, right? So there are personal organization, using a calendar for day-to-day activity. Okay, and there is a notes taking application, Google Keep. These are very good tools that if you are use karna shuru karoge, then you will not be, you will not be device dependent, you will not be computer dependent. You will just need a Gmail and internet connection. That's all. And if you use that Gmail in any PC, you will get your data. This is very good concept. Bring meetings online. That is what we are doing right now. Google Meet. Right? Bring students to work to online. Measure, understand, and share students' growth. This is about assignments and all those things. Teach students online skills. So how will you pass on online skills to students? Right? Search smart. Boost student research skills. Use Chrome to explore. Right? Now, search smart means, see, when you are using Google Chrome or you are using Google search engine for students in the classroom, you have to be very sure that you don't search a topic which will result into all objectionable outputs. So what is search smart? Search smart will teach you that if you are using it in a public place or if you are using it in a classroom, how you will use so that you will receive the output in a way which is presentable and say appropriate for a class with a lower age group. So build interactive lessons. These are the 13 units that you have to go through. Facilitate group work. Promote digital citizenship and positive online behavior. This is very, very important. So it's not only learning technical tools, but also learning how to use the technical tools and how to positively use the tools. It's not only about learning the tools. So these are the things. Again, I'm changing my slide, coming back to the presentation. Right? So I suppose presentation is visible now.
Yes. Yeah, it is.
Okay. So next is the procedure. So in this slide, we have seen that from where you will do the fundamental training course. So this link will lead you to the fundamentals training course. जहाँ से आप fundamental training course कर सकते हो level 1 का. Then procedure. What is the procedure? You have to create an account. Okay. From here you have to create an account. Okay. Select an examination. Receive examination credential. Once your registration is complete, you will be asked to pay for exam. That is $10. Once done, you will receive credentials. Launch exam, you will get 7 days for appearing the exam. The exam is of 3 hours. And get certified. That is display your certificate. Now create your account. If you just open this link. Okay. So I suppose this is again visible to everyone. Okay. So on your educator level 1 certification. So here you have to register over here. Okay, when you register, you will be asked to use an email ID, your Gmail ID. So जैसे मैंने बताया, if you are having both the Gmail IDs, your personal Gmail ID as well as your work Gmail ID being overpopulated, उसमें ज़्यादा आपको emails आ रहे हैं, तो you create a third Gmail ID only for the purpose of certification examination, ताकि आपको कोई भी email जो है वो spam में ना चला जाए और आपको पता चले कि ये email important है, मैं उसको ले लूँ. यहाँ से आपको registration करना है. So this is 3 years valid, 180 minutes, and this portal has got everything. Right? Follow these steps: create account, select examination, receive examination credentials, launch exam. So when you see receive examination credential, that is admin@myeducert.org. Okay, that they will give you an email ID. जो भी email ID से आप register करते हो, exam के दौरान वो email ID काम नहीं आएगा. They will give you a special candidate email ID for you to appear for the examination. That your email ID will require to launch the examination. Once you receive the credential, you will have 7 days to appear the examination. And believe me, the results are very fast. Within 24 hours, they will give the results once you appear. Get recognized, demonstrate proficiency, make bigger impact. So they have prepared an entire tool. सभी कुछ यहाँ पे उसने सब बता के रखा है कि आप क्या क्या कर सकते हो, क्या आपको करना चाहिए. Right? So if you're here from here also, fundamental training link is there. You can start the training from there. This will lead to fundamental training. So I'm coming back again to my presentation. And I suppose the presentation is visible to all right now. Again.
Yeah.
So this is it, and so this is the process of level 1 certification. The same will be for level 2, but एक बार level 1 कर लिया तो you will be more confident for level 2. That also we will be seeing in detail. So before you apply, make sure you have awareness of the basic Google tools like Gmail, like using Google Docs, like using Google Classroom, and all those tools. Undergo the fundamental training in detail and look for sample questions. There are plenty of questions that we will see in this slide. So these are the resources. Now see, there are plenty of resources available online that you can use for, say, preparing yourself. I'll just show you one by one. See, this is 50 level 1 certification tips from certified educators. Okay.
Can I interrupt, Dr. Varia? Sorry.
Yes, please.
Or you want to take the questions later on?
Ma'am, I will just finish in a short while and then we can discuss.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. That will be great. Yeah. Thanks.
So these thing, if you see, I suppose this is visible to you. Key level 1 certificate tips from educators. Right. So these are the 50 tips. See, these are 50 tips from don't be intimidated by examination. Just take a deep breath and do it. The training modules are very helpful, but taking time to play with each of the apps independently is a huge benefit into the examination. So 50 people who have given their opinions how you should be giving examinations for level 1. So this is one of the resources I shared with you. Okay, another resource is Google certification is closer than you think. This is a concept called Shake Up Learning. I'm again opening this link. Now this Shake Up Learning concept, it's a paid thing, but there are again 3 resources available over here. Right? This Casey is a trainer from I think America, and she's giving. See, this has got lot many free things. Okay. So 10 reasons to become. This is where I did. What is the G Suite? Are you prepared for G Suite? Right? All these things. Google certification FAQs. Okay, how to say Google certified educator. Right? So she also has this academic, but these are all paid courses in the academy. So I'm just sharing you those things which are free over here. Right? So this is one of the resources that you can use. Another resource is edugirls.com. Now this is a podcasting service. So those who are on the go, they don't have much time to see. Now this is a podcasting service that will help you to prepare for level 1 certificate. आपको बस सुनना है इसमें, right? So, but if you see these things, see there are 2 engines that provide this certification. One is Proctor.U and Criterion is another thing. So if we are appearing from India, this I think region-based services. So Criterion is used in Asia Pacific. Proctor is I think used in America. I think Reshma gave from Proctor.U. Criterion.
Yeah, I was, but some of them now they have even have Criterion. So whatever when you register for the exam, automatically they will give you a choice, and where you want to register. So it is a
Generally,
online proctored exam. So there is somebody from ProctorU who is watching you. So cheating नहीं कर सकते हैं. You cannot open
yeah,
another tab. Otherwise तुम आपकी
your
exam
camera
बंद
will
हो
be
जाता है.
accessible, and at regular intervals they'll be capturing your images.
Mhm.
So that's fine. So
So it's a
criteria.
virtual proctoring. आप अपने घर पे बैठ के ही exam देंगे, but it is a virtual proctoring. So they will keep monitoring tabs. अगर आप गलती से tab open करके कुछ search कर रहे हैं तो they will close it actually because आपको अपनी screen share करनी पड़ती है.
Right. So criterion is basically available for Asia Pacific. Of course, Rishma, when I appeared for examination, there was no selection. It was directly, I was taken to this web assessor platform, which is made by this criterion. So I never had this option of trying out ProctorU. So I think it should be region specific. Anyway, we don't have that thing with us right now. So you see, all these things will be there in front of you that will help you to promote you to go for your certification examinations, right? So this is it. Another very important resource that I am sharing over here with you is that I have made a Wakelet collection of mine for Google resources that I am sharing with you, which you can also follow. Wakelet is also a very good tool for bookmarking and content curating. Yeah. So suppose you see the, you can see the screen, right? Okay. So these are resources that I am sharing with you. This is a public link. I will be there. This is a PDF file. It is an old file, but this particular file is giving A to Z of the certification. So all the certification courses that I mentioned, the 4 categories of certification courses, earlier there were also specific courses for IT people. For Gmail, for Google Classroom, or for Google Meet, there are specific certifications. This is an old document, but this is worth going through. You can access it from here. Then TechFire again is a Google Educator exam resource. TechFire is a link. I'm not opting right now. It's a link where they will show you that what kind of questions they will be asking in the examination, including the case studies. So they will give you an overview that क्या case studies पूछे जाएंगे. So level 1 examinations in 2 parts. There will be one part where you will be asked for MCQs, and there will be other part that will be asking you the case studies. So this is another good area where you can try out what kind of questions they will be asking. I will share this thing personally to you. Google Educator Level Certificate Exam Answers. I have kept it as a share over here. The small video of another person for level 1. The boot camp quizzes. Now this is very important. This, it is just like a play tool. You just keep on answering the quizzes. You just get badges, and you get the scores. So you come to know that yes, I abhi mera chal raha hai, and I can very well. I'm learning in a proper manner. So this is again a good tool, right? So again here, Google Certified Level Exam Answers, right? This is again a resource I will share with you. So these are the certain resources that you will find it in my Wakelet link. I'll share with you. As again, I'm telling that I'm sharing my I'll be sharing my presentation with you all, so you can use these resources as and when you want. So these are the preparation resources. Okay. So that's it. This is best luck, and I would just like to, before I do anything, this is the links for Ek Ahmedabad, WhatsApp group, and everything. This is my links, and yes, we are having a wonderful supporting team. Dhruvil Mehta is a co-leader for Ek Ahmedabad, Reshma leader for Ek Pune, and we are a very good team here. So it will be always advisable. So here I am also sharing you Ek Ahmedabad membership form, which will be there inside the link in the presentation, and I'm just exiting the presentation mode. I'll be just sharing with you a feedback link form, link for the feedback in the chat. So this is something that I wanted to share with you today. I think exactly it's around 30 minutes that I've used, and this is the concept that I'm planning. एक presentation होगा core topic के ऊपर, और वो presentation 25-30 minutes का रहेगा. उसके ऊपर हम discussion करेंगे. आपको कोई doubts है तो please get it solved. 15 minutes discussion होगा. फिर after 45 minutes जो लोग जाना चाहते हैं they can leave. And for the last 15 minutes we can discuss about the next events. So here I am open to all the doubts. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Nirav sir is Dr. Nirav.
Yes. Yeah. My first, not first doubt. My first suggestion. When do you want to start this boot? Like when are you planning to start this boot camp?
Sir, આપણે તો અત્યારે જ નક્કી કરવાનું છે. અને
I am ready.
Yes. So thankful.
Sir, I'm in. You can I'm waiting for your
Sir, many people are ready, and thanks to you and people like you to give this opinion. Mr. Dr. Nirav Thakkar is a very prospective candidate for level 1 examinations. I do have people from my own staff who are willing to do this level 1 examination. So we do have so many prospective candidates for it.
Yes.
Yeah, we are planning the boot camp, but we thought that was a great idea from Dr. Vishal that let us give a first overview of what it is. And
Yes.
we will surely do the boot camp, and it is very helpful. I attended 2-3 boot camps that were done in the US, like every weekend, 2 to 2 hours. But we thought that with India pattern, 2 hours at a stretch will be hard for mainly women teachers and everybody. So we thought that we will do it 30 minutes with 2 to 3 tools every day or every 2 or 3 days. But we want to help everybody prepare for these exams within a month, maybe. So till that time, maybe everybody can start going over जो अभी resources दिए, तो थोड़ा idea होगा, क्योंकि boot camp में we will go over mainly the scenarios. कि meeting कैसे ready करनी है, कैसे invite करना है, कैसे Google Sheets use करने हैं. So we will surely do it.
So exactly, yeah. This is Reshma, आज का presentation है, वो एक basic presentation है, is an overview कि क्या Google certification क्या है, Google level examinations क्या होती है, उसका एक overview है. Now if we just take only level 1 examination, now there are 13 modules inside level 1. So if you try to cover up each module, okay, even then also we'll need 13 sessions minimum. So that 13 sessions maybe could be for 45 minutes or 1 hour, but to cover up all the modules, now एक module को 45 minutes में cover up करना, it's not that easy, because every module has got, in each module there are sub modules which are having 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and those things. So maybe we'll be devising those things, and then level 1 ka we will prepare it, then we will go for level 2 and likewise.
I want to just share my experience. I gave my level 1 in June. उससे पहले there were a lot of tools which I was using. My forms sheet I was using in my schools very regularly, but there are so much in depth which just saves so much of time. तो ये जब सारी मैंने सीखी, and I realized that there is so much inside Google that I had never known. So it is, even if you are using it regularly, छोटी-छोटी चीजें होती हैं जो it is there but हमको पता ही नहीं होती है. So it really helped me, and actually website banana was a big achievement for me, I would say, क्योंकि I knew people who make website charge so much, लेकिन मैंने पूरा GEG पुणे का website Google site से बनाया, and it is all free. तो I feel कि ये सबको आना चाहिए.
Shortly preparing, and I think by next Friday, before next Friday, we'll also be having our Gang Ahmedabad site ready.
Yeah.
And just like Reshma, I would also like to share my experience, because I recertified for level 1 in last April. Before that, before 3 years, I had done my first level examinations, and after 3 years, when I recertified, believe me, there are a lot of changes. Okay, they were only basic tools when I did my earlier certification, and when I recertified, there were many tools which gave me again an overview of Google Plus. So see, they are improving day by day. So if someone has created, see, if today we go for level 1 examination training, and maybe after 1 month or after 2 months, if you are trying to appear for some examination, then you must still find something new in the examination, because they're updating so fast. So it will always happen. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, what is my experience before 2 years back? I have just explored this possibility to give a Google certification. Then, see, whenever it is required, I go to the website, search something. When I have to develop something or need something, I go to the Google website, take my whatever questions or problems are there. I get it solved through some support like websites. But somehow like I have developed my with the help of Google website. I have my website. I use these forms frequently since Google, even we are using Google Classroom in like at our school since last 2 3 years. So everything is there, but it is not channelized. I think if I do it like I will prepare for this
Yes.
exam, then will have a complete
Yes, yes.
with me. This
Yeah.
is I'm using almost everything, but as and when required, I just if I
Yeah, I
get
agree
it, I
with
go
you.
to the website, I check it, and I do it. So I
No,
think
no, I agree with you. This is all. I agree with you, and I also share a similar experience that once you go through this process of examination, it will be in a streamlined manner. क्या
exactly.
पहले यूज करना है क्या बाद में यूज करना है we are using all these things in cuts and pieces, but if you want to use it as a
Exactly.
whole, then how it has to be channelized you will learn when you do the certification. So you are right, very right in this. Priya ma'am, you had a question in between.
The site which we saw for that level 1, when you said you have to create your Gmail and then
Yes.
register for the exam. So after you register for the exam, you have to take it within 7 days, right? So
Yes.
first you have
Yes.
to go through the training. So I mean, you don't need to register to go for the training, no?
No, no, not at all.
No. So you have to first finish off the training, and then when
Yes,
you're ready,
it is
you can.
advisable.
Yeah. No, because I was under the impression that you first register for the exam, then take the training. But I said, how can you register? Prepare in just 7 days.
No, no, what I would suggest is that again, I would say that as a matter of good practice, see if you can have a separate email for your examination purposes or
Yeah.
for your certification, you create it. You undergo the course training only through the same email, and you appear for
Okay.
you register
Okay.
for examination through the same email, so that
Okay. But for the course which you shared the link where you got all the
yes,
13 modules,
yes,
right? For those 13 modules, you need to register through the email.
yes,
You have to sign in.
That's what I
You
was
have to sign
confused.
in. Yeah.
register.
And then
Okay.
when you register for exam, use the same Gmail address.
Same email ID. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So the reason of registering for those modules, ma'am, is that it will keep the history कि आपने एक दिन में कितना सीखा है.
Right.
Now,
Right.
how much the coverage will be recorded, and next time when you log in, you will start from that point onwards.
Oh, okay. Okay. So the link you shared is there in that, or
It's in the
in the
presentation.
presentation I can then.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Because
I
it
also
is
put
the-
it in the chat also.
The
Yeah, it's on
educator
chat.
level certificate, what link I opened, यहाँ पे तो कुछ ट्रेनिंग का कोर्स का कुछ नहीं पता चल रहा है मुझे. Or is it that start training thing you have to do?
Yeah, you have to start
Yeah.
training. Yes.
Okay.
Will you send
Haan,
the
then
link
it will.
for the training?
Right. So this is something
Amarjeet ma'am wanted to ask something.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, please.
Sir, will you send the link for training?
Yes, I will share the entire presentation with you.
No, that is this presentation I have attended already. But if I want to proceed with the level 1 exam,
Ma'am, the
that I
link
need
is
the training.
within the presentation.
That training link will you share us a link?
Yes. The link is already there in the presentation, and you can use the same links from the presentation.
Yeah, and Miss Amarjeet, I already put it in the chat also. So if you want, you can just click on the chat link and save it as a bookmark.
Okay.
And
Yeah,
even
so,
if you
yeah,
go
it is already
search
mentioned.
Google पे जाके अगर आप बस search करें Google for education or educator exam, आपको same link it will take you.
Level 1, वही मिलेगा. So again, I'm telling you, all these links will be shared with you with the presentation. So presentation will contain the necessary links, and by clicking on the links, you will go to the required pages. So rest assured, maybe today evening, late evening only itself, I will do it along with the recording. I will share the presentation. So that's it for I think today for the presentation. Any other further questions you have for level 1?
Yes,
Again,
ma'am,
tomorrow
one more,
Yes.
sir.
we have a session which is second
level,
level, right? So that is a different one. So we will be having for citations a different
Yeah.
session.
Yeah, sorry, Priya, let Amarjeet ma'am just finish first.
Okay, sir. Yeah,
There are
okay.
13 levels to proceed with the level 1 exam. तो वो 13 level
Yes.
हमें करने के लिए पहले हमें एजुकेटर एग्जाम की ट्रेनिंग तो लेनी है. That will be given in 13 different stages to cover these 13 levels. Then
Yes.
only we are eligible to. Then only we are eligible to give.
No. Listen, eligibility is not to be considered here. See, the fundamental training will train you for appearing for the examination. आप वो फंडामेंटल ट्रेनिंग अगर नहीं भी करते हो फिर भी एग्जामिनेशन तो दे सकते हो, लेकिन वो दे के क्या फायदा है अगर आप फेल हो जाओगे. सो एडवाइजेबल है कि आप फंडामेंटल ट्रेनिंग पहले ले लीजिए, उसका कोई चार्ज नहीं होता है, आपको सिर्फ रजिस्टर करना होता है, वो आप पहले ले लीजिए, उसके बाद आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो तब आप रजिस्टर कीजिए एग्जामिनेशन के लिए.
Correct.
तो इट इज जस्ट लाइक आप बुक आपको दे दी एक सब्जेक्ट की, तो आप बुक घर पे रख के डायरेक्ट एग्जाम पे चले जाओ या खोल के पढ़ लो थोड़ा सा, तो इट विल बी इजियर. सो एंड आई विल टेल यू, जबकि आई वाज यूजिंग द गूगल टूल्स, लेकिन व्हेन यू स्टार्ट लर्निंग ऑल दिस तो वहां पे मल्टीपल चॉइस में बहुत हेल्प होता है, बिकॉज दे गिव यू मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस जिसमें यू नीड टू नो सिनेरियो. तो आप मे भी कर लोगे, बट उस टाइम कैसे होता है, आपको यू आर अंडर द प्रेशर ऑफ एग्जाम. तो अगर आपने प्रैक्टिस की होगा वट एवर दे हैव गिवन यू, तो इवन कोर्स में वो कहते हैं कि ओके ओपन अ क्लासरूम, क्रिएट अ क्लासरूम, असाइनमेंट ऐड करो. तो वंस यू हैव प्रैक्टिस्ड ऑल दिस इट बिकम्स इजियर व्हेन यू गिव द एग्जाम. तो आई विल ऑल्सो शेयर माई एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ फेलिंग द एग्जाम एक्चुअली क्योंकि मैंने लेवल 2 जब दिया तब मैंने बहुत फास्ट कोर्स किया, बिकॉज मुझे लगा कि ओ ये मुझे आता है, ये मुझे आता है. आई जस्ट स्वेप्ट थ्रू द कोर्स, मैंने किया कंप्लीट, बट एक्चुअली आई फेल्ड द टेस्ट क्योंकि उसमें से कुछ चीजें थी जो मैंने कभी देखी नहीं थी, लाइक आई डिडंट नो वेयर इट इज, क्योंकि मैंने उसको प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया. एंड डोंट वरी, अगर फेल भी हुए तभी भी इट इज ओके. 14 डेज के बाद आप रीटेक कर सकते हैं एग्जाम. सो आई यूज दोस 14 डेज टू एक्चुअली अगेन गो बैक टू द होल ट्रेनिंग सेशन, एंड मैंने पूरा फिर से रिव्यू किया एंड आई गेव इट. सो इट इज ओके. ऐसा देयर इज नथिंग, इट इज फॉर योरसेल्फ यू आर डूइंग. रिमेंबर दिस, इट इज फॉर योरसेल्फ. And then once you pass, you can put that badge in your email address में डाल दो आप, you are called as a certified educator. So don't worry about it. वो module is like a textbook. आप अपना पढ़ते रहो जब भी time मिले. Whenever you have time, you just keep going through it. बीच-बीच में scenarios practice कर लो. And then once you are confident कि modules खत्म हो गए, आप register करो and use those 7 days to review. जो topics आपको लगे थे they were difficult, वो बस उतना टॉपिक रिव्यू कर लो, या फिर द वे डॉक्टर वारिया शेयर द वेबसाइट्स, उन वेबसाइट्स पे जाके प्रैक्टिस करो या जस्ट रीड मोर इंफॉर्मेशन.
I think Deepali had a question. Deepali?
I just wanted to share my experience about boot camps. I have done boot camps for the past 10 years, almost every alternate year. So ઓછામાં ઓછા 5 કર્યા છે, 5 સ્કેલેત Dr. Nirav, but they are so fast paced that after the camp to actually practice and master takes quite some effort, and then life takes over, especially this year. Instead of that, the weekly plan that Dr. Waria has would allow for learning, practicing, digesting, then learning the next bit, and it will seem like longer, but will actually reach a point where all the skills that are taught are mastered, and it is setting up for success.
Yeah. Thanks for acknowledging, Deepali. So here I really am happy to learn this, that they are at least having a proper direction at this point. Yeah. Remember, we were supposed to ask something. You had a question for tomorrow.
Now this GEC Ahmedabad is going to be at the moment concentrating on the certifications, and what we do on Saturdays, we will be learning some different tools. It's going to be that way, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that is how we are planning right now. So like
Yeah,
this
okay.
this Saturday with GEG Pune, we have Murtaza. So he will also
Murtaza, yeah.
he will also be using and showing us a tool that is Google Jamboard, how he
Yeah.
uses in his teaching skills. So he
Right.
will show you a live example, and according to him, we will be doing a lot of interactive activities. So we will be collaborating with him. He's
Okay,
going to
okay.
share us,
Yeah.
and we will be working with him. तो वो आपको
Yeah.
सिखाएगा कि how you can use it in your classroom, जहाँ पे your
Mhm.
students will work with you on the Google Jamboard.
Google
So this is
Jamboard,
one
yeah.
of another Google tool जो whiteboard अभी introduce हुआ है with the Meet. So
It's a very
tomorrow
interesting one, yeah.
very interesting, and Murtaza is already using it and he wants to show us. So we can
Yeah.
go GEG Pune ka, we thought that actual people who are using it, how they use it, how they share it. हम लोग को classroom में we get innovative ideas from learning from others. And then we have plans for having assessments. फिर assessment करने के लिए we have forms from Google, but there are still more websites and apps that can help you make quizzes and forms. तो वो सारा हम लोग discuss करेंगे.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah,
that's
it's a
good.
thought process right now. What we are working on is that we would work in a very collaborative manner, where at one point attending one session will give you some inspiration to try something new, and the other session will get into the details of one particular topic and teach you the intricacies of those topics. Suppose that अभी level 1 के लिए अगर हम जा रहे थे, the first tool that we need to learn is the Gmail.
Right.
We all are using the Gmail, but you know Gmail has got so many options with this. हमको वो options use करने की कभी जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी है, so we are not using it. But believe me, how many of you actually have scheduled your email using the Gmail? We have never scheduled. So Gmail is giving us an opportunity to schedule the email. So likewise, there are plenty of those silly topics that are there
Right.
as a tool. So our thought process what we are working right now in the thought process is that every new thing or innovative thing or what is happening around the world or what is thing that will cover up it on Saturday session with at Pune, and Fridays we'll be covering up these kind of topics. Even on Fridays also we'll be having expert sessions. We'll be having our expert lecturers from our own group, those who can collaborate, those who can contribute. Right? We'll have those things, but our focus on Fridays will be for all the internal tools of Google that will help you to give examinations.
And these programs are completely free. Feel free to join GEG Pune to get to know what sessions are coming there. We will keep putting the links. Me, Dhruvil, Dr. Varia are in the collaboration. So we have decided that we'll share all the links to all the groups. And jaisa GEGs, that means Google Educator Group बढ़ता जाएगा. Feel free to send it to your colleagues to join. अपने जो लोग टीचर्स हैं, जो टीचर्स आगे बनना चाहते हैं, तो अभी जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं व्हाट वर्ल्ड में हो रहा है, इवेंचुअली बहुत सारी चीजें हैं दैट वी हैव टू गो एंड डू ऑनलाइन. तो उसके लिए इट इज वेरी नाइस टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड जो आने वाला है आगे, और ऑलरेडी आ चुका है एक्चुअली.
And I would also share an experience where is that there are plenty of tools available. There are even in our own group we have got collaborators for using other tools. But I would also recommend that Google is providing something which is very important and at completely no cost to the educators. So what Google is providing to the educators, I think all other companies are still not giving it at that level. So this is where we are fascinated to work with Google, and not only this, Google is also helping us, people like us, like certified educators or certified trainers. They share their portal with trainers, and the trainers can use that portal to extend the trainings. So what Google is providing is something very, very important and that's again with no cost. So there could be Microsoft Teams भी है, Adobe का भी है, सभी का है, लेकिन उसमें कुछ ना कुछ cost रहेगा. Whereas Google is completely free. Even if you're doing it for the entire school, then also it is free. So at one point, as Nirav sir said, we will also cover up that how to register for G Suite for your school. Right? So I think we'll cover up in a very short time that अगर आप आपकी स्कूल में G Suite रजिस्टर करना चाहते हैं और Google का टूल यूज करना चाहते हैं, आप कैसे करोगे, तो उसका भी एक सेशन हम क्विकली ले लेंगे, probably in a couple of weeks. So every Friday we'll be setting up session. So for Friday session, you will all be given the advertisement or the announcements will be done by previous Tuesdays, and for Saturday sessions, we'll be having announcements done by previous Thursdays. So that is enough gap so that everybody can register accordingly for both the events, and there is no mixing up as well. So Tuesdays and Thursdays will be announcement days, and Fridays and Saturdays will be the session days. And just as the session gets over, we'll share with. So this is how we are just planning to go ahead.
Any other question?
Yeah, another thing I would like to highlight here is I would want you to just, two things. See, what we learn is one part. Once we have learned, we need to reflect what we have learned. So the reflections of the learning is another part, which is very important, because I think more than 3 sessions we have done with GATE coding, but we haven't seen any certificates being displayed in the social media or tagging us or tagging the GATE Pune over there. So I would just take 2 minutes of yours to show you exactly what you have to do, right? So I'm just presenting my screen.
And there's Rolf just outside the room by the door. Oh, okay.
So this is Facebook and Twitter. Mostly you will be finding Twitter as a handy tool, but in India, Facebook is rather more popular. So we'll be starting off with Facebook. अगर आपने कुछ भी, we have this pages of GAG Ahmedabad and GAG Pune. So you see this GAG Pune page is there. It is having a 5-star rating. GAG Ahmedabad is yet waiting for your reviews and rating. So I will just take these 2 minutes of yours to just show you how you can do these things. See, if you just click on GAG Pune page, right, here we will be having announcements of the events, right? So if you see this, this is an event that is going to happen tomorrow, right? So here, ये आपकी screen में, since I am the admin, the page will look different to me. If you are a visitor, the page will look little different to you. So here you have to, in the event you have to say, yes, I'm interested to join the event. So the event will capture those details and we will also get the registration on notes of those things. Once you finish, you also have to, once you are, sharing anything, say you are sharing your any certificate, then you have to tag the person. See, if I tag, this is Greg, if I tag Vishal Walia, see, I'm here. So you have to tag the person with this, that yes, or you have to tag the page, GG Pune. This is a group and it's a GG Ahmedabad. Yeah. So this is, you see, these are the two things. This is the page and this is the group. The side logo is the group and the main center logo is the page. So when you click on this, then GG Ahmedabad will be there. Similarly, ये जो करोगे आप, वो आपकी प्रोफाइल से करोगे. So आपकी प्रोफाइल में you will also get notification. Yes, this person has tagged us. This is called tagging. ये Facebook में भी होता है और Twitter पे भी होता है. I'll just take a short file for Twitter as well. But before that, see, in GATE Pune, here there is an option of review, right? So based on opinion of 4 people, it is 5 out of 5. Similarly, I would beg your attention for GATE Ahmedabad. I would wish that you put up your reviews over here. See, I'm not more based on this, but at least some reviews should be there. So if you are using the Facebook, you take some time and you review as per your convenience. So in the reviews tag, you can recommend. Even if you recommend 1 star, that is okay, but recommendation will help us to understand that what we are doing and whether this is a proper way or not. It's up to you. I will just take 1 more minute for Twitter. See, this is Twitter and this is GAG Ahmedabad. So anything if I write, say, okay, I would just mention, say, it was a brilliant session today with I would say GG Pune. Okay, so this is one tag. Reshma, Rubil, Dr. Vishal, okay, for preparing for level 1 exam. Okay, and if I want to add something, I would just rather say that I would be adding the Meet page. I just go for a print screen right here. Okay, and I'll just here and I'll just paste it. Okay, and I will just tag all those you see, global GEG grade this GEG program. Okay, so here I do this thing and I see. Okay, I tweet. Here it is there. It is tweeted, and now once I go, okay, into my account. Okay, I'll be having a notification. You will see there's a notification sign over here, and here, see, it was a so here because Dr. Vishal Vaidya is mentioned. Okay, it is a notification over here, and oh yes, this is a notification. I will notify that someone has tagged me, and what I will do is, say, already we have one like. I think that should be Reshma, and I will just retweet it. So that's simple. This is called reflections. You see, now I can just show you how reflections work. Okay, I'll just see. See, this global gag is working on a global area. See the followers over here, and one single tweet of there. Okay, see 34 likes, 19 retweets, something like this. So there were surveys, right? So this is how actually you need to participate for social media. So we are using social media for our entertainment purposes. Now we need to change. We need to use social media for counting our presence. So with this way, we can count our presence and we can also count presence of others. You can also reach out to unknown people using social media, and you can also appreciate them. You can be suggestive. You can learn from them. Right? So this is another very good practice. LinkedIn is another platform. Twitter is a platform. Facebook is a platform. Instagram is a platform. Plenty of platforms are there, but generally more popular Facebook and Twitter is there, which is working. So for all gag events, we'll be having reflections in Facebook as well as on Twitter. So I hope everyone is aware, and it's already 1 hour now, and it's time to wind up the session. So I'm glad to have people over here today, and it was a nice event with all. So again, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we are meeting again with the Gag Puri event at 1 hour earlier. We are having a session from 7 to 8 tomorrow. I hope everyone has registered. If still remaining, the registration links will be shared tonight as well. You can share it with others, and tomorrow is definitely an interesting session for Jamboard. Nirav sir, you had a question? Yes.
Yes, I think you told we will finalize today about the or we'll discuss today about the boot camp or so
Yeah. So boot camp is in the thought process, Nirav sir. Right now, I need to work it with Reshma as well as Dhruvil, and we also need assistance from other collaborators as well, because there are plenty of tools. So we'll make up a training schedule, and we will declare as early as possible. I think before the next session, we'll share it out.
Perfect. I'm eagerly waiting for the boot camp so that I can see my practices. I take up something, and if it is like my motivation stays there for say 1 week or 2 weeks max. If it is not there, then it could be difficult.
I am aware of your eagerness, sir. I am aware of that.
You are doing multiple things, and if you took up something, if you finish it, it's okay. Otherwise, it would be difficult to
Sir, we are also looking forward for a first candidate who will be motivated from GAG Ahmedabad to join a certification course. We are also equally eager that you mentioned when you register for the course, you mentioned GAG Ahmedabad there. So we are also equally eager for guiding candidates for level examinations. So we'll be shortly, in a very short while, maybe not tomorrow, because tomorrow we already have a session. I think in 2-3 days we'll plan out and we'll share the training schedule.
Perfect. Thank you, Dr. Vaidya. Thank you, Reshma. Thank you all.
Thank you so much for joining, all of you. And I look forward to see you all tomorrow to learn how to use Google Jamboard. And I have just shared the link to registration in the chat box also. And I and Dr. Varia will put it in the WhatsApp group for both our groups. Please feel free to forward. We want more people to learn and get motivated, like we got motivated and inspired from other educators.
Yes, Priya ma'am, you had something to ask.
No, just a thing to share. I have since I've just completed my postgraduate diploma in international teachers training. I'm just submitting the last project, so I will
Okay.
start with this certification. I'm also doing my I'm also a robotics trainer like Murtuza. Of course,
Yes,
Murtuza
yes,
is my
Oh,
sir.
wow.
So and I am moving to Mumbai. I am in Dubai at the moment. I'm moving to Mumbai next month for
Okay.
good with my son, because
Okay.
we've already taken his admission and things are moving online. So now it's the good opportunity for me to start something in Mumbai. So maybe we might have gig Mumbai. You never know.
Yeah.
Absolutely. We want to reach as many people, and
Yeah.
this is such a great initiative from Google for education that they want to
I
expand
mean,
it
I'm
in
so
India.
impressed.
Yeah.
I'm so impressed with all the tools. And like, of course, my main aim is to get into a school or get a job and start this robotics side by side. And then, but since everybody was giving their experiences, I said, let me just share something. You know,
So
It
it is
was,
let's
very
hope
nice to know. Yeah.
Yeah, it's mostly next month
Yes.
before Diwali. I should be there in Mumbai. So it'll take some
right.
time to settle down
And
since
I'm
I'm
sure these
in Dubai for
certifications,
14 years now.
wow.
So
No, and
moving after
these
14 years.
certifications
Yeah.
help you look forward to something achieving for yourself
Yeah,
also.
exactly. I mean, yeah.
And you feel
So
proud that in this pandemic, you developed yourself, you empowered
yeah, true.
yourself, and you can
Actually,
do
lot of
things.
my school friends are teachers, and are some of them are principals in some schools in Mumbai. So once I get back, I can get in touch with them and then form a group and then we can have something like GEG Mumbai there for
Absolutely.
us. Yeah.
Fine. So that comes to an end of this meeting today, and thank you everyone for joining them. All right.
Thank
That's
you.
it.
Thank you. Good night,
Bye-bye.
everybody.
Thank you.
Good
Thank
night.
you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Very
Don't forget to
informative
fill up the
session.
feedback form, please.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Oh, feedback form. Yeah.
Yes, Reshma, you are muted.
You are still recording, Dr. Varia.
Sorry. Yeah. Oh dear.